Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to convert MOV to MP4. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search for convert MOV to MP4 and then click on the first link here from Cloud Convert, and then here you're going to have to select your MOV video, and after that you're going to have to simply choose here, so convert to, and select MP4 and then simply click on convert. And after that, you're going to have to simply wait until this loads, and then you're going to be able to simply download the video. As you can see, I'm using an MP4 video because I don't have a MOV file right now, but you're going to have to simply choose your MOV file and then simply choose to convert to an MP4, and basically that's all you have to do. And after this loads up, you're going to have to simply click on the download button, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.